Jace is removing the frost plugs, the watery ones, on a 1UZ. Yes, I go sideways. On the side. No, go like, yeah, that's it. Smack in there. Just, yep, there you go. Just lever it against the head. Yep, perfect.
Ugh. Just stick your finger in that hole. Don't recommend it.
You know I'm going to, eh?
You can wait till I'm away from it.
So with the frost plugs, the bottom ones are into water, the top ones are into oil. And we've got, because the heads are unidirectional, the same exists at the front. Front ones. I just said the front ones. Were you not listening to me?
I wasn't listening to you. When do I ever listen to you?
I've got to stop sticking my finger in holes that I shouldn't stick my finger in sticky holes. So Jace taps on the side, turns them 90 degrees, like that. And then the big bar. There we go. Beauty.
In the bin.
The fronts are clean. That was easy, eh?
I told you that.
And then to replace them, you just bang new ones in. 30mm. Oh. Did you order frost plugs?
This is your job.
I ordered frost plugs, but they're Hamilton.
Well, lucky this boat's not going back together in REA.
Yeah.